Former Karnataka Chief Minister and MP Basavaraj Bommai recently paid tribute to the statue of Basaveshwara in London during a family visit. The event, organized by Lambeth Basaveshwara Foundation and Basava Samiti UK, brought together dignitaries from the Kannada community, including Dr. Neeraj Patil, former Lambeth Mayor. An official invitation was handed over to Bommai for Prime Minister Narendra Modi to attend the 10th anniversary of the statue, which was unveiled by Modi in 2015. The statue, a symbol of Basaveshwara's legacy, was also visited by Rahul Gandhi earlier this year. Former Deputy Mayor of London, Rajesh Agrawal, was also present on the occasion.
ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಜಗಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ಅವರ ಲಂಡನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಮೆ ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿದಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ನೀರಜ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ರವ್ರಿಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ಶ್ರಮ, ಅವ್ರಿಗಿರುವಂಥ ಬದ್ಧತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಳಿತವನ್ನು ಒಪ್ಪಿಸಿ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇತಿಹಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಯುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಡೌನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ದಟ್ a great service you have done for the humanity, because Basaveshwara stands for human values. All he has done is to remove the disparity among the people, men and women, to bring equality, remove superstitious followings in the society. He removed the middleman between God and a devotee, Bhakta. That is the greatest thing. Now this is the era of middlemen. So he was the first person to remove the middlemen also. And his contribution towards Kannada literature is immense. Even now, the vachanas are really guiding ethos for our life. Agrawal ji, you have made every Indian proud by becoming 10 years Deputy Mayor. And I know that what it takes and what it makes to become a Deputy Mayor of London. Therefore, your achievement is no less, so your achievement is really recognized. And I hope that we will see you in many other places where you take the clutches of administration of England, as many of the Indians have done already. And I hope to see you in many greater places. And you coming here for the Basaveshwara statue, when I have visited it, makes me a personal, really, I've been moved by your gesture. So I thank personally also for you making it happen. And thanks to Neeraj once again. He is a unifying force. Neeraj is a unifying force. He brings people together. And I'm really surprised about his energy, which is always on the top gear. So whenever he comes to India, Bangalore, even Gulbarga, or in London, immense energy he has, and probably that commitment has brought us this great social reformer to the Western world. East has many of such philosophers, but we have been taught about Western philosophy a lot. So whenever somebody quotes, a lot of Western philosophy is quoted, but the original humanist approach is done by the East, and more so with Basavana. Another important about Basavana is his teachings are very simple, straightforward, and they are life teaching. Therefore, erecting Basavana statue in front of in front of Thames is once again a great achievement, and I've been blessed, and I'm an ardent follower of Basavana and his teachings, which the whole world is. And his Anubhava Mantapa, that is the first parliament where the development of human mankind has been discussed well before the Magna Carta. It is a very well known thing, and our Prime Minister quotes on and off. And Prime Minister himself is a great admirer and follower of Basavanna. He has been quoting in the parliament outside. And Neeraj has wished that 10th year anniversary should be held in parliament in England, and both the prime ministers should come. From my end, I have already written a letter. However, diplomatic channels has to open between two prime ministers to come together. Therefore, that is more important. And I will certainly strive for it. I will speak to Ministry of External Affairs. And whenever our prime minister makes a next trip, before well in advance, we will try to include this program into his schedule. And I hope that for Basavanna he will be ready to come. Only thing is the diplomatic channels are very important. That we will try to make it. And certainly that will be the most memorable day if it goes to happen. We will all really work for it. And once again, I just want to say that I've been blessed coming here. I'm really blessed. Thanks to Neeraj Patil and all the friends who have come here. They have made it happen. Basavanna is universal. That's why he's known as Jagat Jyoti Basavanna. And this statue proves that he is universal. Thanks to you. Dhanyawad.